a great choice today with the 2020
Jeep Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is just the off-road truck that Jeep fans have been waiting on. Enjoy the functionality of a truck while retaining the off-road capability. You'll fall in love with this Jeep Gladiator.
This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, universal garage door opener, rear window defroster, power windows, convertible, fog lights, security system, electronic stability control, compass, heated front seats, trip computer, panic alarm. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.